In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do email marketing for affiliate marketing with Getresponse. We are going to set up a simple, effective system that collects subscribers on a landing page and then automatically sends a follow-up email that includes your affiliate link. This is a clean way to start building an audience while promoting an offer. First, log into your Getresponse account and go to Tools. From there, open Contacts. Look for the option to create a list. Then click Create List. Then click Create List. Give the list a clear name that matches your campaign or niche, so you can recognize it later. This list is where every new subscriber from your landing page will be stored, so naming it well helps you stay organized as you grow. Next, go back to Tools and choose Landing Pages. Click Create Landing Page. You will see a library of templates. Select a template that fits your offer and keeps the layout simple. Then edit the page. Focus on clarity. A strong headline, a short explanation of what the subscriber will get, and a form that is easy to complete. Keep the page clean and avoid adding too much text, since the main goal is to get the sign up. When you are done editing, click Next. On the settings screen, choose the list you created earlier. This is important because it connects your landing page to your contact database. Once the correct list is selected, click Publish. Now your landing page is live and ready to start collecting subscribers. After that, set up the email that will be sent automatically. Go to Tools again, choose Autoresponders, and then click Create Autoresponder. Set the day of cycle to 0. Day 0 means the email is delivered right away after someone subscribes, which is ideal for a welcome message and an immediate next step. Now click Design Message. Pick an email template and edit it to match your brand and offer. Write clearly and keep your message focused. When you add a call to action button, click the button, then click the link icon, and paste your affiliate link into the URL field. Make sure the button text matches the action you want the subscriber to take. Finally, click Next, then Save and Publish. Your system is now complete. Visitors join your list from the landing page, and Getresponse automatically sends your affiliate email. That covers everything you need to know.